What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So just wanted to show an update where we were able to get a repossession removed from EQUIFAX for a client in 35 days, and their score increased over 105 points across all three bureaus. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. You can also send me a text message or an email if you would like. I will be posting a different number soon, and I'm working on also getting a business account so everybody can be happy about that. One less thing for them to talk about, I guess. But yeah, for those of you that don't know, Everything Credit LLC is not just in Georgia, it's in Texas as well. So all the payments go into the business that's physically in Texas. So if y'all have any questions about that, leave them in the comments as well. Send me a text message, send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to talk about it with you. That's all I got for now. I hope y'all have a great day.